Scott, you came from New Zealand to Nifan,
Yes.
to Germany.
Yes, and I had a wonderful time here. I met some amazing people, amazing experience, amazing techniques that you learn for your life. A real an experience that will take you through life on a fantastic journey. And Evelyn and her team were fantastic, very hospitable, and it was the teaching of the class was very good actually. The exercises were spot on. Definitely worth the coming. It will change your life. It will change your life. It will change my life. And I know it will. And I just have to. It's a lifelong experience. If you use this every day, and it will change your life for the better. You'll find if you're single, you'll find a better partner. If you're married, it will increase your love for each other in a relationship. But most of all, it will just put you on a path of where you're meant to be. So I would definitely send my friends here if they're open enough. You've got to have an open mind to do this stuff, and an open heart, and a willingness to try. The trips were awesome. It was a lot of fun, and you got to see a lot of Germany actually, and a bit of history, and it was a lot of fun.
Scott, smile!
It's make, isn't it?
Yes, make is the right word. Next word. The next word? Okay.
Is it growing? Oh, no, growth.
Growth is right. Next one.
Yes, excellent. I gave us a headache.
That's health, right?
Yes, the next one.
How many have you got?
Let it grow more and more. And
How much does it open? Does it open up a lot?
A little bit. You're holding green and yellow.
Yeah. And? Yeah, like an X-Men.
Yeah. Green. Yellow. And blue.
Yeah, that's it.